Hello, I'm Ryan Kennedy. Today I'd like to introduce you to the K-Vest 3D motion capture system. And you'll notice that I'm wearing some funky stuff here. Got the vest on. I've also got a belt here that goes on that measures the movement of my hips and pelvis. And I've also got a sensor here in my hand. Now, this system is incredibly beneficial to coach and player alike because this system will not only give the coach every ounce of information you could possibly need to know about what the body is doing, but we can also use it for biofeedback so that the player knows exactly when he's making the correct position. So before we get into that, a little bit about what information this gives us. These sensors here are communicating with the computer via Bluetooth, and they're feeding information about forward and backward bend, as well as side bend to the right, left, and also rotational velocities. So when we run you through a capture system, this will tell us exactly what your body is doing as far as how many degrees forward you're bending as you turn, and it'll also tell us how efficient your golf swing is in terms of rotation. So when it comes to diagnosing strengths and weaknesses, there's no faster way or more accurate way that we could find out what's going on with your body and your golf swing. Now, in terms of the player, it is a wonderful feedback tool, biofeedback, meaning it will tell you when you are in the right position. So I have this set up now for just the pelvis turn. And as we take it away, I don't know if you can hear the noise coming from the computer or not, but it makes a wonderful sound when you get into the correct position. So right now it's going off, it's making this wonderful tune. If I turn too far, it goes off. Come back. Now I'm in the perfect position right here as far as my pelvis is concerned. So for the player, it becomes incredibly easy to say, okay, what is the correct position? It's right there. That's as far as my hips need to go, right there. Any more and I have become inefficient, and it's going to throw off what we call the kinematic sequence. And that refers to how well you transfer energy from your body down into the golf club. But without that wonderful feedback, it can be very, very difficult. You know, how many times have you been working on something and you kind of say, well, is that right? Is that right? I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly. Well, with this system, you get into the right position, the computer makes the nice tone, and you know you've done it right. So thanks again for tuning in, and I hope to get some information on your golf swing with the K-Vest system. Thank you.